Well, I figured I'd give y'all a little idea of what goes on here as far as maintenance before I do the video about my sawing log. I told y'all I'd do one, but I got to change this belt and this blade first. So first we're going to change this blade, or take this blade off. I have to loosen this here up. I normally go about 5 or 6 turns and then try to tighten it back up about that, but on a new blade I won't be able to tighten it up 5 or 6 rounds. I'll have to go about 5 to begin with, and we'll go from there. What in the world, this has got stuck to the belt here or something. It got a little hot. Something out there stuck to everything. Oh, that's that belt that was coming apart. Got it all sticky there. I forgot about that. That's why we're changing the belt, because that one came apart. Alright, well, we've got that blade out of there. Now the next step is to get this belt off. Got to loosen that up a little bit. Got to loosen this here up a little bit. And we'll loosen that up a little bit. And that should help this belt to just roll right on off of there. Well, that thing got hot and sticky in there, didn't it? See right there where it came apart on me? And all that old smoked up burnt rubber got hung up in there. Got to waddling around. Here's my new belt. I'm going to put this on there. Just got it yesterday. Hard not to have to worry about it slipping none with all that sticky in there, had a oh boy. Okay, let's try something in here. Try this here in first, and we'll walk it on there that way. Oh, no, let's go this way. That way it don't pull it off the pulley. It keeps it on. Alright, that's got that on there. Now let's that probably right there was what was ailing me. Probably need to tighten that up a little bit more, so we're going to go a few rounds tighter with that than what it was, what it is now. A little bit more. Like that. So now we're going to tighten this jam nut, what they call this, I believe. Tighten that jam nut up, and that should keep it from doing anything silly. And now we'll tighten this here bearing and idler pulley nut up. I don't keep all that happy. Alright, Now ain't nothing left but to put the blade on there. That's got that. Now what I like to do when I get all this back on there like that, and if I ain't mistaken, I think I read the instructions, they even said to do this. I'll tighten it up a tad bit. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll spin this to make sure that it's all tracking right. That looks good. I'll make it 5. Remember, I loosened it 6. I'll tighten it up 5. Now when that blade gets hot, I'll come back and I'll tighten it up one more time. And I'll know when it gets a little hot because it'll start doing this in the log. Y'all have a blessed day. Tune in for the video of me sawing a log here. I don't know if I'll do it this afternoon when it cools off or probably in the morning early. I don't know, but y'all be looking for it.